today we have the English project from Mem Sharpina. That's about procedural text. Before that, we want to introduce ourselves first. My name is Satya.
My name is Suci.
My name is Erika.
My name is Jessica.
My name is Rara. For today, we will share to you guys tutorial how to make ice Thai tea. And yeah, facts about Thai tea. Thai tea is the drink from Thailand, and so many Indonesia people like this drink. You can find this drink in every boba drink business. So let's straight to the tutorial. Let's go. Bye bye. So the first is the tools. There are
Wicks, strainer,
Tablespoon.
glass, stainless steel mug, measuring cup, and stove, and the last is a straw. So next is the ingredients. There are sugar daddy,
evaporated milk,
black tea, ice, sweetened condensed milk, and water. Sponsored by Fusion Plate Milk.
A few moments later.
So guys, let's go to the steps. So for the step, first is put the stainless steel mug on the stove, and then pouring 200 ml of water, and then put 1 tablespoon of black tea into the water. Okay, turn on the stove. If it's boiling, turn off the stove, and then let's make the milk. Put 2 tablespoons of milk into measuring cup, and then strain the tea. Strain the tea with strainer into the measuring cup. And then put 1 tablespoon of sugar and add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk again. And then give 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. One, 2, and next stir the tea with whisk. After completely mixed, let's give the glass with ice, of ice. It must be cool, and then pouring the tea into the glass. After that, we give 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk, and give a straw. And yeah, iced Thai tea is ready to be served.
Brave girl, you ready? A tropical beat. Nice.
So guys, that's the So guys, that's tutorial how to make iced Thai tea. You can try make it at your home. See you in the next project. Have a nice day and bye bye. Sawadika.
นั่นกันสิ
Gumawa. Ayusin.
salah.
Welcome to apa? Welcome to put the stainless steel mug on the stove. And then, so next is the ingredients. There are